Welcome back to Truehost Academy. In today's video, we're going to learn how to create a custom login page for your WordPress website. This is a great way to enhance your site's branding and improve user experience. Let's dive in. First, let's discuss why you might want to create a custom login page. A custom login page can 1. Improve branding by matching your site's design. 2. Enhance security by hiding the default login URL. 3. Provide a better user experience with customized messages. You'll need a few things before we start. 1. A WordPress website. 2. A custom login page plugin like Theme My Login or LoginPress. 3. Basic knowledge of WordPress. Let's start by installing the plugin. 1. Go to your WordPress dashboard. 2. Click on Plugins and then Add New. 3. In the search bar, type Theme My Login or LoginPress. 4. Click Install Now and then Activate. Once activated, go to the plugin settings. For LoginPress, go to LoginPress in the sidebar and select Custom Login to start customizing. Now let's customize the login form. 1. Add your logo and choose colors that match your website. 2. Modify the fields if necessary. Maybe you want to add a Remember Me checkbox. 3. You can also change the login button text to something more fitting for your brand. After customization, it's important to preview your login page. 1. Click on Preview to see how it looks. 2. Test the login process to ensure everything works smoothly. Security is key. Here are some tips. 1. Consider adding reCAPTCHA to prevent spam. 2. Change the default login URL to something unique using the plugin settings. 3. Use a strong password policy for your users, and there you have it. You've successfully created a custom login page for your WordPress website. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more WordPress tips. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.